Here's my son's Galant. We went for a lovely drive yesterday up to Traralgon and back. Like, this car is absolutely awesome. We worked it out. The fuel economy is 8 litres per 100 kilometres. So for a 50-year-old car, that's pretty damn good. Anyway, cut a long story short, the state of our roads in Victoria are so bad. As we were driving back, this happened. Bang, in a pothole. Like, that is massive. That is a massive dent in the rim. There we go. We fixed the rim now, but nice and straight. But if this was a modern Japanese car with an aluminium rim, that rim would have been smashed to pieces, and the driver of the car might have smashed the car as well. So lucky enough it had steel rims and the car was only light, so the damage was minimal. But yeah, lift your game, Vic Roads. Rightio, well, we thought we only had a flattened out rim, but it turns out after actually having a proper look at the front end, we've actually discovered that the ball joint's a little bit loose now. It's actually stretched the hole where the ball joint is placed into the lower control arm. So after rebuilding the front end and having it all nice and tight, now we have to squeeze the hole a little bit closed and then repress the ball joint back in. But again, it wouldn't have happened if the roads were good quality, but unfortunately here we are. And as you can see, look, this, if you're close up on this,
it's supposed to be interference fit.
That has got a spline on it. See that spline? That spline coincides with the spline in there. And unfortunately, because it started to spin, it started to wear the spline. So now we have to shrink the hole up a little bit tighter, as well as this looks a little bit bent on the end. It's actually a little bit ovaled.
It's been sitting here, it's been pulling it down like
that. Yeah. So essentially the brand new ball joint isn't so brand new anymore. But anyway, what we'll do is, the way you repair something like this is we get a socket that's a little bit smaller than the outside diameter, and then you put it in the press and you let that, because the socket's got a lead in on it, and as you press it, it will actually shrink the hole. And you don't just do it once, you sort of press it down and then you rotate it, and you just do it a few times, so it makes that hole nice and tight, and then you'll be able to repress this back in. But that'll only handle that so many times with crappy roads before it'll actually do some serious damage. But yeah, unfortunately, Alan's had his car on the road now for a week, and we've already got to fix it. So he's got an RDO tomorrow, and his RDO's got to spend his time fixing his car.
Repairing my own crap.
That's right. But these things happen. They happen. So, but anyway, all good.
If you like this video, don't forget to click like and leave a comment. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and click the notification bell. If you like the t-shirts that you see the crew wearing, there's a link in the description below where you can grab some for yourself. Thanks for watching.